We'll guide you through how to run scripts in Notepad++. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, go to your computer desktop and look through the icons until you spot the Notepad++ shortcut. Hover your cursor over the Notepad++ shortcut icon and double-click it to launch the program. Give it a moment while Notepad++ finishes loading completely before continuing to the next step. Once the application is open, take a look at the very top menu bar where all of the available menus are displayed. Move your mouse to the option labeled Plugins and left-click it once to open the drop-down menu. After the list appears, hover your mouse downward and click Plugins Admin to open the Plugin Management window. Wait briefly until the Plugins Admin window appears on your screen. Inside the window, look toward the upper left corner and click the search bar so you can begin searching for a plugin. Type 𝗟𝗏𝗘𝗗𝗗 into the search field to look for the Script Runner plugin. When the 𝗟𝗟𝗞𝗘 option appears in the search results, click the checkbox beside it so it becomes selected for installation. Next, move your cursor to the upper right corner of the window and click the Install button. A confirmation prompt will appear asking whether you want to restart Notepad++, so press Yes once you are ready to continue. After the program has launched, paste or type your code into the editor, then press Ctrl+A on your keyboard to select all of the text. Now direct your attention back to the top menu bar and click Plugins once more. Hover your cursor over the newly added 𝗟𝗟𝗚𝗚𝗚 option until a side menu appears. From the list of available commands, click Execute selected text to run the highlighted script. You should now see the script execute successfully, with the output and any related messages displayed in the console.